Hello everyone, this is Rajkumar Shivare, PGT Mathematics at MLZ Jhansi. Students, today we will learn about the topic straight line. So, my first topic is equation of straight line passed through x1, y1, z1 having direction ratio as A, B, C. So, in this topic, question will be given of this type. One point will be given from where the line is passes, and the direction ratio of the line will also be given. Okay, equation of straight line passed through x1, y1, z1 having drs as a, b, c is x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c. This equation is known as Cartesian equation of the line. The meaning of Cartesian equation is this line represents the coordinate from where it passes. Okay, coordinate. So Cartesian word derived from coordinate. So Cartesian equation of the line. So this is the Cartesian equation of line, and in the denominator we have ABC, and ABC represent the direction ratio of a line in which direction the line is drawing. So ABC are the direction ratio. Now after this, vector equation of line passing through a point having position vector A vector and the direction vector is given by B vector. So the vector equation of line is given by R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda times of B vector. In this, A vector represents the point from where the line is passes, B represents the direction ratio, and R represents the coordinate axis. That is, R vector will be xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, and A vector position coordinate will be given in the question, and B also given in the question, right? Now my next topic is equation of line passing through 2 points. Okay, x1, y1, z1 first point, and x2, y2, z2 are the coordinate of second point. Now find the equation of the line AB. Let us suppose A is this one, B is this one. Find the equation of line AB. So x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. Okay, these are the points x1, y1, z1 from the line is passes. Okay, now in the denominator we have to obtain direction ratio, and direction ratio of the line joining 2 points are given by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. In this way we will get direction ratio of the line joining 2 points, right? So this is the topic, equation of line passing through 2 points, and this is the Cartesian form. Okay, now vector form we will discuss later on. Now let us take an example. Find the equation of line passed through -1, 2, 4 and 7, 6, -5. Okay, so again this is the question based on this topic. Here we have 2 points. So let us consider the first point is x1, y1, z1, and second point is x2, y2, z2. Now put the respective values in this equation, then you will get this. Okay, so this is the required equation of a line. Okay students, now we will discuss some more topic later on. Till then, thank you very much. Have a nice day.